all university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? And what is your opinion? Well, as an advantage, they will be able to generate an extra income, so that's good, and interact with people different from those in their career and have work experience that is very useful when you are just graduating from your studies. Um, the disadvantage could be the amount of free time they have and the fatigue that both activities can generate, and this could reduce their academic performance. But I consider that it's a good option, and that the most important thing is to know how to organize your time and responsibilities, and so that they not accumulate. And that's all.